Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch football matches live on PC. So this is my PC and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So let's get right into the video. So first thing you have to do is open up your browser and you're going to search for Camel Live and going to type in right there Camel Live, and you click on it, and once you open up you're going to see the first one right here. You click on watch free football live streaming and you're going to see live matches, favorites, competitions today. You can either choose for tomorrow, set the date, but of course we're going to be watching today's match, so you have to pick any one of your choice. You can see the countless matches going on right now, so I'm going to pick on the first one right here, and you're going to see it's just like this, and let's play it. So it's going to take a while to actually load up and you're going to watch live matches. You can see this one right here, it's live and you're watching like live matches. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.